Let's take a look at the LEGO Super Mario Desert Pokey expansion set number 71363. It's appropriate for ages 6 and up, and it has a total of 180 total pieces. It's meant as an addition to the Super Mario starter set. It does not include a Mario figure itself. You have to supply your own. It's designed to look like the desert levels in the Super Mario video games and add some fun flavor to my kids' Super Mario Lego collection. The two enemies here are the Pokey the cactus character made up of 4 segments, and then the Monty Mole figure who has a barcode on top of his head. So if you stomp him with your Mario figure, then Mario will play a special sound effect unique to that. I like the details on these figures. It feels like they captured the characters very well. In order to defeat the Pokey cactus character, you'll use this sled that has some kind of a hammer on it. Knock it out one piece at a time. It's pretty fun to do. I did it a number of times while filming this and kind of enjoyed it. All in all, it's a great set. I'm glad it's in my kids' Lego collection, and you might want to consider it for yours as well. I'll put a link in the description in case you're interested.